Classrooms are changing, and students need more than just textbooks. That's where Quest comes in, with interactive English training designed for real-world communication. From rural classrooms to premium city schools, Quest is building confident communicators everywhere. Our trainers don't just teach English, they inspire, guide, and bring out the best in every child. Just the beginning. Want to bring this transformation to your school? Let's collaborate and make it happen. Quest, let's teach and empower students together.